right, Chandler, first of all, I just want to thank you for allowing me to videotape your golf swing. You guys had an awesome day for a golf tournament, and I understand you raised some money for a great charity. So good job to everybody that played in the tournament. All right, let's get back to golf. Now, the one thing that I would change in your setup or suggest, okay, I really like how you're set up to this golf ball. You're set up for success. But let me get rid of this line here, and I'm just going to highlight your arms hanging down here. If you look close enough, you're going to see that your left forearm is hanging underneath your right arm. What I would like to see for a right-handed golfer is just the opposite. I'd like to see that right arm a little softer and that left arm, if anything at all, more visible over the right arm than underneath it, okay? But again, that's just the only thing I would change here. And I'd also kind of work on your alignment just a little bit, okay? You're a little bit right of your target. However, I really love how you're taking this club up, Chandler. This is absolutely textbook, okay? I mean, you know as well as I do that the more we keep this club on plane, the more success we're going to have on the bottom. You're a player, okay? So we're keeping this club out in front of us here. Great position halfway back to the top of your swing. Now, this is the only thing that I see right now that I'd like to discuss with you, okay? Obviously, this is just down the line. I don't have a face-on view here. But once I get the club right here, all right, can you see how we have the majority of the club head on the left side of the shaft? All right? Now, what I would like to see is more of the club face on the left side. Because what's going to happen now is, as we get to the top, we're going to have a little toe down or open face here. So what might that cause? Well, if we make a good swing, we are going to have the ball working to the right. So with that face alignment there, we're actually bringing this club down just a little bit steep into this shot. So you can see how that shaft's getting tipped forward a little bit as we bring it down. Okay? What I would like to see is that club head a little bit below that line, or, and you know this, or on it, okay? But I really feel because of that club face at the top being open, your feeling is, okay, I don't want this ball going to the right anymore, but not knowing what's causing it to go to the right, I am going to get the club working a little bit steep over the top coming in, getting really deep into the ground here, and our exit is going to be very, very low, okay? So the one thing that I would like to see you change, or there's two things really, and again I haven't looked at face on, is our setup. Soften up that trail arm a little bit, allow that lead arm to look over the top of it from this view, and get that club head more on the right side of the shaft here. And I guarantee you, if you do that, can keep bringing the club down the way you are, you're going to be hitting them all left, and you're a smart guy. You're going to figure out, well, I'm not going to change the club face orientation, but I will change the path coming back into the ball. Listen, if you're interested in looking at that and getting that fixed, my contact information is at the back of this video. Again, I look forward to hearing from you, but until then, take care.